Good morning everybody, Martina here again. Thanks for checking in. Video time again. It's amazing how fast 1 week goes by, right? Sometimes it's scary. I don't know if it's an age thing or I'm not sure. People say that all the time. Oh, the older I get, the faster the time goes by. So I made a snack. I had some organic sweet potatoes in the fridge. They really needed to be used up. And I thought, how about I'm using my air fryer again? So the air fryer I have is the biggest I thought I could buy, but it's not big enough. And if I would have another choice, I would buy a different one, like those large ones. And but this is what I have, and this is what I use. You can use it, of course, easily in the oven. Then you can make a bigger batch at one time. But I think if you use the air fryer, the crispiness is just different. I'm not sure why. I like it a lot, things in the air fryer. But again, as I said, in the oven, on the broiler setting will be just fine. So I start my video and I tell you what I did. So I'm having a whole bunch of cooked cold sweet potatoes. I cooked them the night before. I just steamed them in my Instant Pot, 8-quart Instant Pot. It was full and I only did it for about 8 or 9 minutes. These sweet potatoes are a little bit on the smaller size, about this, I'm not sure what it would be, 8 centimeters or so in length. So they're soft, and because I bought organic sweet potatoes, I left the skin on, which will help later when you cook it in the air fryer, not to stick on the parchment paper. I open them up, smash them a little bit down. There are a few who are a little bit on the crunchy side, so it's harder to smash down, but it doesn't really matter in the end either. If you have large sweet potatoes, just cut them in half when you steam them. And I add my spices. I just have pepper, nutmeg, and smoked paprika. And then later I added a little bit of a hot chili pepper. Actually, I'm not sure what kind of pepper it was. It was some hot powders I had left in the cupboard. You can use any spices you like. I do love the smoked paprika. First of all, it smells really good and it gives it a really nice flavor. You can use just cayenne pepper or any hot pepper powder you have. I didn't add salt to it because I think salt you can always add a little bit later if you want. If you do it this way, you use a lot less. And I have these round parchment paper thingies. I bought them on Amazon. It helps with cleaning up later. The air fryer, my highest setting is only 390. So I did put it on 390, heated it up, preheated it a little bit. And then I checked the potatoes after 20 minutes. And of course it wasn't crunchy enough for me. I do like it really crusty. So I moved it around a little bit and put them back in. Another 20 minutes. And then it looks really nice. So they're kind of firm, crunchy outside, soft inside. Then I do a second batch. And I kept going until all the potatoes were cooked. You can store it for quite a few days in the fridge. You can just eat it cold as a snack, or you heat it up and use it as a side item on your dinner plate. I actually had it like this, and I added a little bit homemade sauerkraut on top. And whatever else I had left in the fridge. It is a super nice snack. Sweet potatoes are so yummy. When you heat them up, the sweetness comes out. They're taste incredible. They're super healthy for you. If you want to do a good thing for yourself, eat more sweet potatoes. If you don't buy organic sweet potatoes, take the peel off, don't eat the peel. We do want to avoid as much as we can of those extra nasties we don't ask for but we get every day. So I buy organic sweet potatoes all the time, and I hope you like this recipe. This was a super quick one, just a little sweet potato tip, how easy it is to make a nice different snack. And if you eat this all the time, it's really guilt-free snacking. It fills you up, it makes you feel good and satisfies you. So let me know how you like it. Please put the thumb up, subscribe to my channel. You know the whole routine, I say it every time. And I'm gonna see you next week again. I hope you have a wonderful week. And until then, as always, cheers.